If she's dancing, it means the sun is out. So, I don't know if you guys saw it, but Shock Therapy just announced the Firminator. The Firminator is the Smart Shock panic button for different models. It looks like they're offering it for the Polaris Turbo S Dynamix and Maverick R and a few other cars that are compatible with its standalone ECU. Looks like they're offering free installation. So who's going to pick one of those up? Check out their live video from, I think it was last night or today. It's called the Firminator through Shock Therapy. Check it out.